Hi guys, join me on a day trip to California's famous knottsberryfarm located in Buenapark, California. Now it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Disneyland, but it sure beat being at work on a Monday. Have a seat and chat with these fine ladies for a spell. I'm sure they'll talk your ear off if you let them. Ha! First stop of the day, the log ride. I'm not the roller coaster type, but this one was clearly not for the faint of heart, or the motion sick type, aka me. I mostly did a lot of walking and looking, but as you can see, there's lots to do here, especially for the kids.
the brown seaweed on the billows fall and rise. Such was the wreck of the Hesperus in the midnight and the snow. Christ, save us all from a death like this.
I'm thinking this Western themed section was likely my favorite part, but I'm pretty sure I wouldn't want to have lived during that time.
Chocolate water?
We'll take a look right now.
Okay, 3 cowboys walk into a saloon. First cowboy says is a second cowboy. I'm just kidding. I don't know any jokes. And no, that's not what the first cowboy said to the second cowboy. Then it was time for a ride on a choo-choo train. Now there is a surprise at the end of this train ride, but I won't reveal any spoilers here.
Alrighty, folks, we're back in 1956 in a daily operation ever since. The locomotive and road traffic are life together actually 140 years old. And each came to a ride.
Interesting, but no thanks. Okay, Boysenberry was the running theme throughout this theme park. So I had myself a good old-fashioned bacon cheeseburger with boysenberry barbecue sauce. It was actually pretty good. And what Charlie Brown fan could spend a day at Knott's Berry Farm without a trip over to Camp Snoopy? After a few hours, I was on my way back home. So yeah, if you're looking for a fun way to spend the day, head on out to Knott's Berry Farm. Thanks for tagging along, guys. See you on the next one.